In a small village, there is a young girl named Lily who loves flowers. One morning, she wakes up and sees a flower outside her window. She is very excited and wants to describe it to her friends. She says, "A beautiful flower is waiting for me." The word beautiful comes before the noun. This is the first position of adjectives in English grammar. Lily decides to go outside to pick the flower. She sees many flowers in the garden, but her eyes are drawn to the one she saw earlier. She carefully takes it and brings it back home. She then smiles and says, "The flower is beautiful." The word beautiful now comes after the verb is. This is the second position of adjectives in English grammar. Lily wants to share her flower with her little brother, Timmy. She tells him, "A red flower is very beautiful." She uses the adjective beautiful after the verb is and adds very before it. Adjectives do not change for singular or plural nouns. This means you can use the same adjective for a flower and flowers. Later that day, Lily meets her friend Emma. She tells her, "A red flower is beautiful and soft." Emma agrees and says, "The flower is soft and beautiful." The placement of adjectives can change the meaning and emphasis. Adjectives are used to describe the qualities of a noun, not the noun itself. One day, Lily has a new pet turtle named Sam. She describes him to her parents. "A small turtle is very cute." Her parents smile and say, "The turtle is cute and small." Adjectives like cute and small can be used before or after the verb is, but they all describe the same qualities of the noun. Lily finds a toy in the park. She tells her friend, "A yellow toy is fun." Her friend replies, "The toy is fun and yellow." Adjectives like fun do not change for singular or plural. A toy and the toys can both be described with the same adjective, as long as it is placed correctly. Lily makes a poster for her class about adjectives. She writes, "A lovely flower is in the garden." She then adds, "The flowers are lovely." The adjective lovely is used before the noun in the first sentence and after the verb in the second. Adjectives can be used in both positions, depending on the sentence structure. Lily's teacher, Miss Brown, gives a presentation. She says, "A kind boy is always helpful." Then she adds, "The boys are kind and helpful." Adjectives like kind and helpful can be used both before and after the verb is. This helps to describe the noun more clearly and naturally in different contexts. Lily practices with her brother Timmy. She asks, "What is a kind adjective?" Timmy replies, "A kind adjective is used before or after the verb is dot." Lily smiles and says, "Yes, adjectives do not change for singular or plural. We just use them in different positions." Their conversation helps them learn more about grammar. One night, Lily dreams about the flower she found. She sees it in a beautiful garden. A beautiful flower is blooming. In her dream, the flower is pink and glowing with light. She adds, "The flower is beautiful and magical." Her dream shows her how adjectives can change the meaning in different sentence structures.